Good day friends, I'm making a short video on how to properly loop an Iyengar Yoga belt. Those who are regular practitioners of Iyengar Yoga, you will know that we use a yoga strap to improve our execution of the pose, to stay longer in the pose, to align better in the pose, and it is very important that we know how to loop a strap properly. Now a typical Iyengar Yoga strap comes with a metal buckle, and if you see this, it has a metal buckle and this partition. All right, now if you see the end over here, it has a folded edge to the buckle. You can see that the buckle has been folded over here, and if you touch your fingertip on it, it feels rough to the touch. Okay, if I turn this around, you will see that there is no rough edge and this is smooth. There is no rough edge over here. All right, so common sense would suggest that if the fabric is rubbing against the rough edge, it will get damaged. So when we loop the strap, we want to not twist the strap first thing, so that we get the proper smooth flow of the fabric through the loop. So as you can see, I am walking away, and what I am doing is holding the buckle in one hand and the other end of the strap. Now I keep my foot on it, which will allow the strap to not twist. So you don't want the strap to twist, alright? And then when you want to put the tail of the strap through the buckle, you put the tail from here, exposing the rough edge. You never cover the rough edge, and then bring the tail out. So now you have looped the belt without covering this rough edge, so that when you tighten or loosen, the strap is not rubbing against this rough edge. This would mean that your strap will last you for a very long time and it will not tear. Now if I don't use this proper method of looping the strap, what can happen to a strap? Okay, so it is very important to know that why am I showing you this, because if it is not looped properly and you keep pulling and loosening the strap, you will end up tearing the strap. You will fray the edges, you will start getting the strap to start splitting like this, and then you will end up throwing the strap and buying another one. One of the things about yoga, very important things about yoga, is that we should not be wasteful, and we don't want to over consume things that we don't need to. So if you take care of your strap, the strap will serve you for many years to come, and you will enjoy using the strap